Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have kind of a watch unboxing here. The shipping box was really large, so took it out of that box, and let's get this box here open. From Epos is a dive watch. I don't know the exact model number, but I'll figure it out, and I'll put that in the video description. So let's get this sleeve off of here. Sorry about that. Actually, it looks like it's the model number right there. So 3504 will be the model number. And this one has a green dial, so looking forward to checking that out. I don't have too many green dialed watches, and this watch looks similar, kind of like a Rolex Submariner type watch, so I might compare it to my Submariner. Alright, so there's a manual in there. Nice leather wrapped box. Oh yeah, this thing looks really nice. Check that out. Date window and everything. Looks like the same model number there, 3504. So I'll get this sized up for my wrist. I'll wear it for a while, then do we'll do a full video here. This is just a quick look at the watch. Looks like we have a helium escape valve here, so I'm assuming probably 500-meter water resistance. Epos 3504, all stainless steel, Swiss made, water resistant 50 ATM, so yes, that's 500 meters. Sapphire crystal. Ceramic bezel insert. Looks kind of like the Submariner Hulk. Has stick indices. Kind of a little thin, but the watch is a beefy watch. It's a large watch. You'll definitely feel it on wrist. It looks like we have a dive extension here. Let me take these things off. I'll pause the video and take these off real quick. Alright, got the hand tags off, so hopefully you won't, it didn't bother you too much with that noise, but I didn't like that noise of it dragging around, so anyway, got those off of here. I see that there is a dive extension in here. So I'm assuming you just, pull it out. So nice milled dive extension, milled clasp. Not sure if this portion is milled or not. So as far as a micro adjust, looks like there's maybe 3 micro adjusts in there. So, or maybe not. Yeah, okay. So that one right there, you would use the spring bar tool there, and then you can adjust it very, very small spacing between those micros there. Well, that's kind of interesting. And these are screw pins. So let me put it on wrist. So let's play with the bezel action first. Bezel first. Feels nice. We see ceramic. The handset kind of looks like a Tag Heuer handset. I think I'm going to adjust this bracelet here. I'll pause the video, adjust the bracelet, and then we'll come back to it on my wrist again here. Shouldn't take too long, so I'll get this sized up. I do like that E embossed in there, though. It looks nice. Well, it took a little while, but I did get it sized. Just a matter of figuring out how many links I wanted in there. Right now it's maybe a little bit loose, but without that half link in there, then it's a little bit, just a tad bit too tight. So I think we'll wear it like this, and report back in about a week or so. Here's a look at the links. So yes, it does come with half links, which I didn't notice earlier. So a half link there, and then there's your full link. And then the micro adjust, I think it's going to be a little tricky for me to do that. So I'll just leave it like this. But that's probably the smallest increment of a micro adjust I've ever seen. So anyway, here we go. On my wrist. Oops. Left the diver extension out. So close that up. Put this on my wrist. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist. I do have the male end links here. So probably a little bit, I would say a little bit too large for my wrist, but as always, anyone can wear whatever size watch they want. Doesn't matter to me. Just a little bit big for my preference. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.